In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing coming from someone who's genuinely earned thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. So you can see on this affiliate program here, I've earned $65,000. On this one, I've earned $805. This one, you can see there's commissions coming in all the time, $16, $118. And then on this one, I've earned $3,000. So I've genuinely earned thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do here and how to do it. Now, I'm not going to BS you and tell you that you can do this without doing any work. There's so many videos on YouTube regarding affiliate marketing. If you go and search affiliate marketing tutorial, you'll see many videos here telling you that you can do this with a click of a finger with no work. Now they're just essentially selling you a dream. It doesn't exist. It is not possible. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, but you do have to work to actually make it happen. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recommend physical products on Amazon.com and earn a commission when someone buys. I'll also show you how you can do this with digital products, and I've got a digital product here. Now digital products and physical products have their similarities when you promote them, but the commissions do vary, and I'm going to cover all of this in a beginner guide. This video may be a long one, so maybe sit down, take some notes, get a cup of tea, watch it all the way until the end here, and I'm going to give you everything I know about affiliate marketing, and I'm going to aim for about 20-25 minutes. So the first thing you need to know about affiliate marketing is essentially you promote a product in exchange for a commission. So literally every company here has an affiliate program because it's essentially a way for them to get customers for free. So if you go ahead and open up a new tab and you just type in here Amazon Associates, which is Amazon's affiliate program, you can sign up then for an affiliate program to Amazon UK, or here you've got Amazon.com. And here on the Amazon.com Associates program, you can recommend products and earn commissions. Now the commissions on different affiliate programs are going to vary. Amazon gives some of the lowest commissions, but it's Amazon, right? Everyone knows Amazon, so it is easier to sell products. Now, if you scroll down here, you can sign up for the Amazon Associates program, you can recommend products, and you can then earn up to 10% in commission when people buy a product on Amazon after clicking on your link. So affiliate marketing is essentially like sharing things that you love or that you use to other people, and if they find them useful and after you recommend them, buy them, you will then essentially earn a kickback for recommending them. And that's why it's great to get started as a beginner, because affiliate marketing requires you to have zero inventory. All you need to do is send traffic from one place to the affiliate product. Now, I'm going to cover traffic in this video because you're going to need to sign up to an affiliate program and get your affiliate link to any product that you want to recommend. And then you're going to have to send targeted traffic to that product. Now, you can see here, look, I've made up to $65,000 with this program. And this is a recurring affiliate program. So I get paid every month for sales that I made way back in like 2018. But you can see some of these monthly payouts. You got $1,000, $1,500, and I think it goes all the way up to $3,000 somewhere. Yeah, so 3,000 here, 2,800. So you can make real money with affiliate marketing, right? Now, don't listen to anyone that's saying it's going to be easy or you can do it with this new method in 2024. The truth is you need traffic and you need an affiliate program that converts. So what would I recommend to beginners? Now, I would recommend you go and sign up for the Amazon Associates program. I have videos on that and I'll walk you through how you can sign up in those videos. If you just want to YouTube here, how to sign up to Amazon affiliate program, I'm pretty sure my video is going to come up. So here you can see, here's my video. You can go and watch that if you want to. Now on Amazon, once you've signed into the Amazon Associates program, you'll be able to search for any product. So let's say I wanted to promote the microphone. I'll just type in here Rode NT USB. On Amazon, you can type in any product. You can then click on that product and then you'll be able to then promote and grab your link. You'll be able to click get link and you'll be able to grab a text link to this product. And this will be a custom link, which when someone clicks on, it will redirect them to this product page. And if they buy this product or any other product on Amazon, you will earn a commission on this. And it's probably up to 5% for electronics. So you would earn about $8 on this purchase. Now you can promote very high ticket items or you can promote very low ticket items. Low ticket items are probably going to be easier to sell, whereas high ticket items are going to give you a bigger commission. Now, if you want to promote physical products, hand on heart, I would recommend you go with Amazon because Amazon make it very easy for people to essentially buy more than one product. So they're great at upselling. So if someone clicks on your link and goes to this microphone and they buy the microphone, this mic arm and the headphones for $445, you're going to get commission for everything that they buy within 24 hours. So even if they close out the window and then come back to Amazon, you're still going to get credited for that sale because Amazon's going to remember that you sent them through through your unique link. And if they buy then anything within 24 hours, Amazon will give you a commission on that sale. So Amazon is great for beginners, one, and two, selling physical products. Now, you can also go ahead and choose to sell digital products. Now, there are many platforms you can promote digital products on. One platform here is Warrior Plus. You can see I've made $3,000 on Warrior Plus. Now, Warrior Plus, you may have heard of it if you're kind of like in the Make Money Online niche or you've played around with Make Money Online products. Warrior Plus has essentially a marketplace of thousands of products which help people make money online, which is kind of ironic, right? So you can make money online promoting Make Money Online products. And this is the game, right? Like, I'm giving it to you all unfiltered. People will make products to teach people how to make money online, and then affiliates will promote these products saying this is the best way to make money online, and the affiliates that promote these products will earn a commission every time someone buys. So the top product today, or the second top, is Partner and Profit. And we can click on this, and it's one of these really spammy Make Money Online products, but trust me, don't be fooled, this stuff converts like crazy. So this is a Make Money Online product which you can choose to promote to other people, and then if they buy, you would earn a crazy commission. Let me just show you how crazy these commissions can be on virtual products. So we'll copy this product here, Partner and Profit, or let's just do 1K paydays so we can actually get a product which we kind of understand. Okay, so this one's more what I'm talking about. 1K paydays in 60 seconds flat. 100 done for you, copy and paste AI system makes us $10,000 per month. So this is a product which teaches people how to make $10,000 per month called 1K Paydays. So we can promote this product to people. And if we go to affiliate on Warrior Plus and then go to offers, we'll be able to see how much money we can actually make promoting this. So we'll search for the product and we can click on it here and it will tell us here what commissions we're going to get. So if we scroll down here, the product initial price is $17, but the upsells go all the way up to $1,000. So you can earn a commission ranging from $8.50 to $1,500. It says here the visitor value, it says the refund rate, and if we go ahead and scroll up, we can see the funnel map, which essentially shows you here what back-end products they have. And this is crazy, right? Affiliate marketing, there is so much money in it. Here are all of the products. So you've got the main product for $17. Then if someone buys this product, they're going to also say, oh, we've got this $1 million app. Do you want to buy this for $9? Oh, you bought that? Okay, do you want to buy this 1K Paydays plus secret traffic app for an extra $26? Think of it like this, right? These are all upsells. Now, what company do you use on a monthly basis which upsells products? McDonald's. So think a bit like McDonald's. You go to McDonald's and you order a burger and they go, oh, you've ordered a burger. Do you want fries and a drink with that? And that is called an upsell and it gets you to spend more money. And virtual products, well, I mean, you can essentially make unlimited products. So you can upsell people basically unlimited things that they don't really need. And because they've already got the credit card out, they're probably going to buy it anyway. And this leads to crazy commissions and ridiculous numbers like you've never seen before. So that's Warrior Plus. That's just one platform. I've also promoted like tools like System.io. So System.io is an online business builder which helps people with email marketing, creating funnels. It's actually a really good tool and they have a really good free plan as well. But it's like a marketing platform where you can use it to grow your business and create sales funnels. So I promoted that and I earn money every month. Someone continues their membership with that because it is a monthly subscription. And basically any different website or product or company has an affiliate program. If you just go ahead and search for like Walmart affiliate program, Walmart have their own affiliate program, which you can join and start earning commissions today. Now, the $1 million question that all beginners ask is, okay, I've signed up for the affiliate program. How on earth do I get traffic and get people to buy these products? And that is the $1 million question, because anyone that tells you here that they have the answer and you can do this with a click of a button is lying straight to your face, and you should never trust that YouTuber ever again. To promote products, you need to find a traffic source. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. You can do this via free traffic or paid traffic. As a beginner, and even as someone who's made some money with affiliate marketing, I will always recommend free traffic. So what is free traffic? So let me just go ahead and Google here, free traffic sources, and we'll go ahead and look at some. So free traffic sources. How can you send traffic to your affiliate products? So the first one is search engine optimization. Now, what is that? Well, it's basically creating a blog about what you're interested in and promoting products on that blog. Let's say you love gaming, and let's say you want to make a blog about gaming laptops. So someone might come to Google and they might search in best gaming laptop under $1,000. Now, when people search that, they're going to be big websites, but they're also going to be smaller websites like Experts Reviews, which review gaming laptops and talk about gaming laptops, and they link to Amazon in the blog post, right? So this is search engine optimization. You get your blog to appear at the top of Google search for different keywords, and then you recommend products which people are looking for. So these recommend products on Amazon. If traffic then comes to this website and clicks on this Amazon link, it will take them to Amazon, and then if they buy the gaming laptop, this website here will get a commission. Now, it doesn't have to be in a very competitive niche like gaming laptops. You could literally do one in knitting or woodworking. Like I could search here how to make a rabbit hutch, right? And I could write an article about how to make a rabbit hutch. Now, in this article, I can recommend different tools and different products that you might need to make a rabbit hutch, right? Now, I can't say that this website has done that. Maybe they have, maybe they haven't. But they've got here on their website, best pet products, and you can guarantee these are all going to be affiliate links. Now, SEO is just one way, right? Making a website is just one way. It's the best returning way, but it does take a lot of effort to write articles, and it is kind of complex. Now, if you did want to make a website, I can recommend a really cheap website builder and a way to make a website, and that is through Hostinger. So I'll leave a link to Hostinger in the description below, and you can essentially make a website. You can get a free website builder with website hosting with a free domain name for just £2.49 per month. And that's less than a coffee. You can go ahead and claim that now. I'll leave Hostinger in the description below. I've made a lot of videos on Hostinger, so I'm not going to cover that right now. Another way that you can get traffic is through Pinterest. So Pinterest is predominantly women, right? If I was to stereotype Pinterest. So you want to go on Pinterest and talk about products which women are interested in. So middle-aged women love weight loss products, right? Which help them lose weight. So you can go ahead and find a weight loss product or an online course and then create pins on Pinterest and send traffic from Pinterest to that course. And you've got to be clever here about what product you promote and where you promote it, because different people are going to be on different apps. You've got YouTube. YouTube is the best way to promote products. In my opinion, it's free. You can create simple videos and you can send targeted mass traffic to products. Now, remember, I just recommended Hostinger. Now, for those that caught on, Hostinger, that recommendation is an affiliate link, right? So you guys watching, you want to build an online business, you want to make money online. So what have I done? I found a product which I use, and I've then recommended this product to you through a YouTube video. Crazy how that works, right? So with YouTube, you can create videos about the product you want to promote. That could be a product on Amazon. So I could create a video about this Rode microphone. So I could write in the search results here, Rode NT USB microphone, and I could make a video about the setup or an unboxing video. So I could then make this video. In the description of this video, I can link to the product and say, if you're thinking about getting this product, I will leave a link in the description below. And the link to this will be an affiliate link. So are you kind of like putting two and two together here? You want your product and your traffic source. Then you got TikTok. Now, this one's for the younger generation. If you watch a lot of TikTok, the chances are you know what TikToks go viral and what TikToks work and what TikToks don't. You can make TikTok videos about a specific product or in like a specific niche. So let's say you make gym TikTok videos where you go into the gym and you record different workouts. Well, then you could recommend different lifting straps or different gym wear or dumbbells that you can use at home. Then you got email, which is a bit more complicated. Won't go into that too much. Instagram is a great tool. So here is my Instagram, right? And now people promote products on Instagram all the time. So if I go ahead and search here, and I'll just search for matrix fishing. Now, a lot of these different Instagram pages, what they do is they go ahead and post content related to their niche, and they then recommend a specific product, or they might have a store or a website, and they send traffic to those products. So this is a knitting page, and again, you can make content about anything. This is a free knitting page which you could create. They upload kind of like different things that have been knitted, and they link to a shop here where they either have their own products or they recommend other people's. So let's just check it out, shall we, while we're here. So their link is not working, but you'll make sure your link is working, and you can then recommend different products, whether that's an Amazon product, maybe you want to recommend the best knitting gear, maybe you want to recommend an online course about knitting. So then you will go here, you will type in knitting course affiliate, and then here we've got like knitting for profit. This is going to be a course about how to knit, and it's an ebook, right? Fastest way to make money from your knitting website. Become a knitting for profit affiliate, and these are going to offer 50% commission. And what is this? product? Well, it's an ebook which teaches people how to knit. So I hope you are getting the point here, and I hope some cogs are turning in your brain. And then you've got Twitter, another great source to send free traffic, because on Twitter you can talk about whatever niche you're in. I could go and show you Twitter, but I think this video is dragging on. You could talk about whatever niche you're in, and you could recommend products in those tweets. And Twitter is easy because you don't have to always post videos or images. You can also post text. You've also got LinkedIn, which I'm not going to cover, but you can go ahead and read some of these and you'll see some of these free traffic sources. You've also got Facebook groups. What else am I missing? And that's probably it. But the ones that I would stick to are creating a blog, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. Choose one of them, choose a niche and choose a product, and just hammer out content which you find is going to be valuable to your audience. So if you choose to promote this website builder, let me bring it back to me. You want to create content which the audience of a website builder is going to want. So I'm creating a very detailed affiliate marketing guide. And in that video, I'm explaining if you want to build a website, you can use Hostinger. So that's kind of like my angle. I could also create a video on YouTube titled How to Make a Website for Business. I could make that video and I could say, if you want to make a website for business, use Hostinger, and I could essentially show them around Hostinger and how to use it. So I hope that video was helpful. This wasn't a BS video like some of the videos on the first page of YouTube for affiliate marketing. This does take hard work, but the rewards can be insane, right? Like $65,000 on this one. I've shown you the others. I'm not sure where they've gone on my computer, but this is real. This is working. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments. I get a lot of comments, so I can't answer you all. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch this video here on screen now, which will show you how to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, click on that, sign up to Amazon today and get started promoting products.